Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Romi from Barbie and the Secret Door in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this mermaid tail. If you're in the special round, you will get this mermaid tail automatically, and you're going to color it like this. Okay, and put on this item as well. Make it this color, and then this flower top, and make it this color. Okay, and then this flower, make it purple, and this flower crown, make it no spikes, make it this color, and then you're going to put on this hairstyle, make it this color. All right, and then the next one, go to the changing room, and then you're going to go to this menu and choose this dress, make it this purple color. This is for the color code. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter. All right, and then you're going to choose this item. Okay, and for the toggle, select toggle 4. Okay, and then you're going to make it pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the third selection, make it this purple color, and for the fourth selection as well. And for the last selection, make it blue, and make it glitter for all the selection. Okay, and then you're going to put on this item, guys, from the petal update. And then for the color, you're going to make it purple. Okay, just follow this color, guys. Combine the purple and pink color. All right, done. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.